Okay, and here are my old birds. That's Speckled. Say hey, buddy. Can I say hi? Can I say hi? I can't really, it's hard to get on that one. Some more babies. Mommy's kind of standing on them. We'll let her be. Here's Tiny. Mommy's very, very protective. Here's my Star with her babies. This is White Knight with her baby. He's looking pretty white too. This is Smoothie. Hey, Smoothie. With her baby. I think the daddy was born in '95, so this is probably his last year of making babies. And then down here is Houdini. She's my little escape artist. And you can see they're banded already because they're the oldest ones. And this guy got hurt. I don't know if you can see it on the video right there on his neck. His daddy kind of got his claw stuck on him. You can kind of see all their food right here. It's real squishy. Good stuff. And that's it.